Welcome to my channel. This is a ready to robot build swap battle series 1 I have for sale on my eBay store. I'm selling a lot of 20 of them individually. If you're interested in buying one or multiple, I will leave a link in the description so that it will take you straight to my eBay store. When you buy this item, here's what comes in the package. You get 2 arms, cat pit, weapon, slime, 2 legs, pilot. They have 50 plus bats collection, 1,000 of way to mix and match. Here's a closer look. Here's some information about the package. This is for 5 plus. Again, if you're interested in buying this item, I will leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you coming to my channel.